What's good people? Guess what? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm a little too excited, man. I was gonna try to hold this announcement, but yeah, in about 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Like after the first, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know my situation as far as that. Yeah, your boy about to hit the studio, man. You know what I'm saying? I thank y'all for the response y'all have given me. You know what I mean? With my little views and anything, whoever slid through, watched my joint, man, I appreciate y'all. But I'm about to turn it up. You know what I mean? Little other videos and anything. I appreciate y'all for looking at them, you know what I'm saying, listening, catch the sound, you know what I mean? Holla at your boy. It's going down like that. Bang.